If your home feels heavy or chaotic, these 7 spiritual plants are traditionally used to protect your space and invite peace. I'm talking about simple, beginner-friendly houseplants that go beyond decoration. They're living symbols of safety, calm, and positive energy that you can actually feel in your rooms. And the best part? You don't need any special beliefs or a green thumb to start using them. Before we dive in, let's get clear on what I mean by spiritual plants and protection plants. This isn't about fear, superstition, or doing anything perfectly right. These are plants that many cultures around the world have trusted for centuries to cleanse negative energy, protect the home, and create a sense of peace. You can think of them in 2 ways: as traditional spiritual tools or simply as positive energy plants that help your home feel lighter, safer, and more supportive. Take what resonates with you, and leave what doesn't. There's no pressure here. Here's the simple formula we'll follow: intention, placement, and regular care. That's it. You're not summoning anything, you're just choosing to make your home feel like a safe, sacred place where your nervous system can finally relax. As we go through the 7 protection plants, notice which one you feel drawn to. You do not need all 7. In fact, starting with just 1 or 2 is more powerful than overwhelming yourself. For each plant, I'll share what emotional or energetic problem it supports, its traditional spiritual meaning, and where to place it in your home for the most peaceful effect. Let's get started. Rosemary has been linked to protection and memory since ancient times. In Greek and Roman cultures, rosemary was worn during ceremonies to sharpen focus and guard the mind. Even today, its strong scent is associated with alertness, clarity, and emotional grounding. Spiritually, rosemary is often seen as a boundary plant. It represents protection not through force but through awareness. When grown near an entrance, it symbolically acts as a filter, allowing calm energy and while keeping mental clutter out. On a practical level, rosemary's scent has been studied for its ability to improve concentration and mood. A clear mind naturally feels safer and more stable. That's part of why rosemary works so well for beginners. It connects spiritual symbolism with real-world benefit. Place rosemary near your front door, kitchen window, or workspace. Touching the leaves releases its aroma, which can instantly shift your mental state. It also reminds you to slow down and breathe. Because rosemary is also used in cooking, it connects protection with nourishment. You're not just guarding your space, you're caring for yourself too. Sage has been used for cleansing in many cultures, especially Native American traditions, where it symbolized clearing stagnant energy and restoring balance. While burning sage is common, the plant itself holds meaning even when simply grown and cared for. Spiritually, sage represents release. It's associated with letting go of stress, emotional buildup, and lingering tension. In a home setting, sage symbolizes a fresh start, making room for calm after difficult days. From a practical point of view, tending to sage encourages mindfulness. Brushing its leaves, watering it slowly, or noticing its earthy scent brings attention back to the present moment. This grounding effect is deeply calming, especially for beginners who want simplicity. Place sage near a window or back door, spaces associated with airflow and transition. This placement symbolizes stress leaving the home instead of staying trapped inside. Sage also thrives with minimal care, making it ideal for new plant owners. Its strength reflects resilience, quiet, steady, and grounding. Simply having it nearby can remind you that not everything needs to be carried forever. Lavender is universally associated with calm, rest, and emotional safety. For centuries it has been used to ease sleep troubles, calm anxious thoughts, and soften emotional tension. Spiritually, lavender represents peace during vulnerability, especially during rest. Lavender's gentle scent is known to relax the nervous system. Studies have shown it can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. When your body feels safe, your mind follows. In spiritual practice, lavender is often linked to protection during sleep. That's why it's traditionally placed near beds, pillows, or resting spaces. It symbolizes the idea that rest itself is sacred and deserves protection. A lavender plant in the bedroom or nearby living space creates a visual signal. This space is meant for peace. Even without flowers, the presence of lavender can soften the energy of a room. For beginners, lavender offers both beauty and purpose. It doesn't demand attention. It gently supports you in the background, reminding you that calm is allowed and rest is not weakness. Basil has long been connected to protection, harmony, and prosperity in cultures across India. the Mediterranean, and Southeast Asia. Spiritually, basil represents balance between giving and receiving, effort and rest. In many traditions, a healthy basil plant in the home is believed to reduce conflict and encourage cooperation. This symbolism comes from its nurturing nature. Basil thrives when regularly cared for, much like relationships do. Practically, basil improves air quality and brings fresh energy into kitchens, the heart of most homes. Kitchens are spaces of nourishment and gathering, making basil's placement especially meaningful. Place basil on a sunny kitchen windowsill. As you water it or harvest leaves for cooking, you participate in a quiet ritual of intention. You're feeding your body while reinforcing harmony in your space. For beginners, basil grows quickly and responds well to care, offering immediate feedback. Its presence encourages routine, mindfulness, and balance, key foundations for a peaceful home. The jade plant, often called the money plant, is associated with stability, prosperity, and steady growth. Spiritually, it represents protection through consistency rather than sudden change. In feng shui, jade plants are believed to attract supportive energy, especially when placed near entrances or financial areas. Each thick leaf symbolizes resilience and stored strength. Jade plants grow slowly but steadily, reminding us that real security builds over time. This makes them powerful symbols for emotional grounding and long-term peace. Place a jade plant near your front door, desk, or financial area. Its presence serves as a visual reminder of stability and patience. For beginners, jade plants are forgiving and low maintenance. They don't demand constant attention, yet they thrive when treated with care. That balance mirrors healthy boundaries, strong, calm, and self-sustaining. Peace lilies are strongly associated with emotional release and gentle healing. Their white blooms symbolize purity, peace, and renewal. Spiritually, they are often linked to calming emotional tension in shared spaces. Peace lilies also clean indoor air, removing toxins and improving overall atmosphere. Clean air often leads to calmer breathing, clearer thinking, and reduced stress. This plant thrives in indirect light and quiet spaces, making it ideal for bedrooms and living rooms. It responds quickly to care, visibly drooping when thirsty and perking up soon after, mirroring emotional needs. Place peace lilies in areas where emotions tend to gather, such as family rooms or resting corners. Their presence encourages softness and understanding. For beginners, peace lilies teach attentiveness and compassion. Caring for one reinforces the idea that peace isn't forced, it's nurtured gently over time. The snake plant is often called a guardian plant. Its tall, upright leaves symbolize strength, boundaries, and quiet protection. Spiritually, it represents standing firm without aggression. Snake plants are known for improving air quality, especially at night. This makes them powerful protectors for bedrooms and entryways. Their structured growth creates a feeling of order and stability. In many traditions, sharp, upright leaves are believed to deflect negative energy and reinforce protective boundaries. Place snake plants near doors, beds, or any area that feels exposed. Their presence anchors the space. For beginners, snake plants are nearly indestructible. They thrive in low light and need little water, making them ideal first companions on a spiritual plant journey. Together, these plants don't just sit in a room. They shape how a space feels, how you move through it, and how your nervous system responds the moment you walk inside. That's why placement matters. Not as a rule book, but as a way to support calm where it's needed most. Every home has emotional hotspots. Entryways collect outside energy. Living rooms hold conversation, tension, and connection. Bedrooms store rest, vulnerability, and recovery. For protection, start at transition points. Snake plants, rosemary, and jade plants work beautifully near front doors, hallways, or windows. These areas represent movement between worlds, the outside and your personal space. Strong, upright plants here create an immediate sense of grounding and stability as soon as you enter your home. For peace and emotional balance, focus on rest zones. Lavender and peace lilies are especially supportive in bedrooms, reading corners, or quiet seating areas. Their softer forms and calming presence visually signal that these spaces are meant for rest, not stress. In shared spaces like kitchens and living rooms, basil and sage help support harmony and emotional flow. These are places where energy moves quickly, so plants connected to balance and renewal naturally fit there. There's no perfect placement. Choose spots where your eyes naturally land. Comfort always matters more than correctness. You don't need an altar, special tools, or complicated routines to work with these plants. The simplest ritual is attention paired with intention. In the morning, open a window near one of your plants, especially sage or rosemary. Take 3 slow breaths. As you gently touch the leaves and set a quiet thought like, "Today my home feels calm and supported." That's enough. In the evening, sit near a peace lily, jade plant, or snake plant. Dim the lights slightly and spend 1 or 2 minutes noticing the shape, color, and stillness of the plant. Let your breathing slow. This brief pause helps your nervous system recognize that it's safe to unwind. Once a week, while watering your plants, imagine releasing whatever feels heavy, stress, worry, emotional noise, into the soil, where it no longer belongs. This isn't about belief, it's about presence, and presence alone can change how a space feels. Start with just one plant that feels right to you. Over time, your home becomes a living, breathing reminder that peace doesn't have to be chased, it can be grown. You don't need to make this complicated or perfect. Spiritual plants are just gentle helpers, reminding you that your home can support your nervous system, your energy, and your well-being. If you're feeling drawn to start, choose just one plant from this video, and one intention for the next 7 days. Notice how the room feels before and after. And if you'd like to go deeper into creating calm, protected energy at home, watch my video next. It walks you through specific plants that support anxiety relief and better sleep, so your nights can feel as peaceful as your space. Share this video with someone who could use a gentler space to breathe, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy plant-powered ways to bring balance into everyday life. Next, I invite you to watch 10 indoor plants for healing and wellness, where we explore plants that support emotional and physical well-being even deeper. Thank you for being here, and for caring enough to create a more peaceful home energy, for yourself, and for everyone who walks through your door.